Hello, welcome back to GOT. Today we are going to review a new BENKS combo case for Samsung's new Fold that's coming out. Yes, the Z Fold 8 Wide. Let's go. So as we know, very soon Samsung's going to come out with their new Z Fold 8 Ultra and the Z Fold 8 Wide. And this is a really cool phone, and we're going to go ahead and size it up in this video for the BENKS case and the new little magnetic puck that goes on the back of it. So we're going to get right to it, and we'll talk about the Z Fold 8 as well. But first off, I want to thank BENKS for sending this to me. It's a really nice combo. BENKS does this with phones every year, and I'm really glad to have that partnership with them where they send me these things for demo. So check this out. It's the Armor Grand Case and with complete protection. And see if I can get this thing open. So they sent me also this dummy model so we can actually give it a try on it. So I want to thank them again for sending that. So what we have a screen protector and the hinge phone case. So that's really cool. And there's more underneath. Front case. Okay, so it starts off with the phone right here. This would be the normal case as you put inside the phone, or you put the phone inside. So here we go. This is the case, and we'll take it out here, and it looks like it comes with the stick strips right here. Okay, so if the adhesive strips, if you want to adhese it to it, and you've probably seen this on other channels already, this case right here. So that's pretty nifty, and it's got a strip right on the inside there too, so you can peel that out. And there you go is your MagSafe, and we know it because it sticks right to the MagSafe charger. Check that out. That's really cool. Now let's see how great this dummy is. See if it matches it. Put that on there, and look at that. Perfect fit. So there you go. A nice fit. I'll go ahead and just tear this off. I don't need that anymore. So looks like everything lines up perfectly, and the phone actually has a raised island where the cameras are that fits around it perfectly. And you can see here, these would be the microphone holes, and we can see we've got the USB-C port right there and another microphone hole right there. And I'm guessing that is a speaker and a speaker there, which is a shame because that means the speaker's on the same side. And what that means is if you are watching your phone or a video like this, okay, because you would want to watch it landscape, right, to get the best viewing, and the speakers are all on one side. That's kind of goofy. Samsung kind of messed up on that. They should have switched sides on them so that they would be stereo. That's quite interesting that they chose to do that. But how's that case fit? That case fits really nice. I really love the feel of the case. The texture, you know, it kind of reminds me that of my Motorola texture, you know. It feels a little grippy, not as slippery as the phone itself. So let's go ahead and check out the front cover here. Pull that out and see what that looks like. It should be fairly thin and pretty flimsy. No, this thing feels pretty solid, actually. And you've got the strips in there. And yeah, that feels a little more solid. Take that off there. Okay, this little piece right here, I guess, is a little flimsy. That's where you get your flimsiness, but that's why it's got that tape on this piece right here to tape down on there. So actually, it goes on like this, snaps on beautifully. There we go. They are both snapped on there. Looks good, and everything lines up perfectly. And as you can see here, it lines up on the front of the phone there. They both line up really nice all the way around. So there you go. It doesn't add much weight to it at all, really. So yeah, it's very light, just like that, you know, that Armor stuff typically is. So I like that. And this gives you protection all the way around. So as long as you have a screen protector on your outer screen, your entire phone will be protected. Now I have another piece to see here. This says it's a Glass Warrior screen protector. Okay, so I have the screen protectors here. Wow. Okay, yeah, you've got the cleaning kit, of course, right here, and then you have the screen protectors, and they are glass. Wow, eye-friendly screen protector anti-drop. So that's pretty solid. Now I'm not going to actually put this on the dummy. I'm going to wait and put that on the real phone. I'm not going to be a dummy myself and use it up. So that's really nice. So it actually comes with a screen protector as well. And you get a nice little Banks sticker since 2008. Wow, that's just right after the iPhone, which is in 2007. And of course, it comes with instructions on how to install it. So that's pretty slick. So I am going to save that. And it looks like it comes with a guide right here, this guide to mount it. So that's pretty slick. So that shows you the actual size of the phone as well. So now I've got this piece right here, which is the magnetic piece. So let's go ahead and get that out of here. Just open that bad boy up, pull it out, and there it is. Okay, now I've actually got one, I think, just like this already. It's the same color and everything, or from a previous gen. Maybe slightly different, but these are nice. They're thin. They'll hold up the phone. Pop it on there, and it sticks really strong, and it'll hold up the phone. So if you want to use your phone like this, you can stand it up, and you can actually adjust how much lean you want it. So that's pretty. Oh, and if that doesn't work, just turn it. There we go. And then you get the lean that you want on it. Okay, so there's a nice position for viewing. Now I just wish the other speaker was at an angle, not on the same side. But there you go. And then you can stand it up. Check that out. So in a tablet form, or what are they calling it these days, where you stand up the device? You know, I don't know that we've had one this way where you stand it up like this to use it. So that book form or tablet format, interesting. So it works really good at any angle that you want to use it, which is really nice. Hold it like that. You can even do it upside down if you want to. Okay, a little wobbly this way, but that's really slick. And of course, you can use it as a holder. You put your fingers through there or a finger through there, however you want to do it. And that way you don't have to worry about dropping the phone. So that's really slick. Now this dummy model, the hinge is a little flimsy, and I'm sure the original is not going to have this really deep crease, but this is pretty slick. This is pretty close, and I like the way this thing looks. You know, I like the color. I like the design. That's pretty slick, and it's really lightweight, like 201 grams. So even with this case, or even this, it's still lighter than some of my other, and it's a pop socket too. So again, you can take this, fold it out, and put your finger on it like that. So that's slick. And of course, these also can be used to stand up your phone. So this has got several different features. So that's pretty slick. You know, it's, I don't know how many in one, but that's a nice setup. So that's by BENKS. I want to thank BENKS for sending this over. There'll be a link down in the description where you can pre-order yours or find yours, because you definitely want to protect your investments, because these things are not cheap. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a wonderful day and God bless.